Alright, so 5 things you need to do if you want to be recommended on YouTube. As I always say to my student and also my customer asking me about growing a YouTube channel. So here are the most important things you need to consider, especially a small YouTuber like you.
This video is sponsored by ActivePresenter, an all-in-one e-learning offline tool that helps you create tutorial videos, educational games, presentations, and interactive lessons for teaching and training purposes. It's a powerful and professional software that works seamlessly on both Windows and Mac OS. If you want to support the channel, I will put the download link in the description, and remember to apply my special discount code when checking out to save your money.
The first important thing you need to consider to be recommended on YouTube is the topic. So you have to brainstorming, you have to do keyword research, stuff like that. You have to make video about the topic that many people care about. So for me, I use TubeBuddy, but you don't have to use it because you know TubeBuddy has a free license and pro license and legend license. Whenever you have legend license, you are able to do keyword research and do some kind of research about niche and stuff like that. But when you have free license, it is very limited. So use your brain, okay? Use your brain to do keyword brainstorming, stuff like that. And when you go to YouTube, you can search for the phrase people are interested in, and also you can watch other YouTuber with topic people are interested in, then you can make video about that. So that is the first thing you need to do, to do keyword research or brainstorming your topic. And the second thing you need to do is to produce video. It is important for you to know how to make an intro for your video, how to write a script, and how to film yourself, and how to edit your video. Okay, so maybe you can spend time learning somewhere on how to edit video, what is A-roll and what is B-roll, sound effect and video effect and title, stuff like that, so you can combine all of them into one finished video. That is just the first thing you can do in this step, in this second thing. Okay, so that first thing, you have to produce video, and the next step in your producing video step is to improve your video quality. So after one video, maybe you understand how to edit your video, but it is not perfect and the quality is bad, the audio is bad, and the visual of the video is bad too. So the sound effect is too loud, the music is too loud. You have to improve your video. So learn how to improve your video. That is the second step in the second step. Okay, something like that. Okay, so next thing, which is the third thing important on YouTube, is how to design a good thumbnail. And because a good thumbnail can drive the attention of your audience, so many people will just watch the thumbnail and the title and they can click to your video. It will increase the click-through rate, which is very important when it comes to recommending system on YouTube. Okay, so you can spend time using Canva, Photoshop, or maybe some tools like Filmora. It has a built-in thumbnail editor. You can use it to make a good thumbnail. By the way, I am not a good people to make good thumbnails, so my advice is that if you want to make a good thumbnail, just make it clear and simple, okay? And the text on it is big, and your face is also important. Okay, so next thing is about the quantity. Okay, so you heard it right. When you have a new YouTube channel, you have 1 video, 2 video, or maybe 10 video, and that is just nothing. Especially in some competitive niche, other people have thousands of video. For example, my channel has more than 1,000 video on this channel, and I have another Vietnamese channel has more than 1,000 video. So that is the material for YouTube, or that is the library for YouTube. It will use the library, or it will just use the video inside your library to recommend it to other people or to your audience. So it is important to produce high quality video and increase the quantity of your video to have it recommended by YouTube. So the last thing, okay, and that is 4 thing, and you want to focus, patient, understand, all right. And the last thing, which is very important, but I think it is just the 5th one, so it is not as important as other thing here, is your upload schedule. So consistency on YouTube is very important, because YouTube is the long run. It is not just a short-term job, stuff like that. You have to be patient on YouTube and being consistency with your upload schedule, because your audience will just go to your channel and they end up realizing that you just upload one video a month or one video a year. So that is bad. Maybe you have to keep one video 1 week or maybe 2 video a week. So it is important. But if you make some kind of news channel and stuff like that, you have to upload daily. And yeah, that's the last thing on YouTube, which is very important on YouTube to be recommended on YouTube. So that is 5 things or 5 advice from me as a 8-year YouTuber here on the platform. And believe me, being a YouTuber is easy, but being a successful YouTuber is not easy. It's difficult, especially those who spend full time making YouTube video like me. It is not easy at all. So every day I have to think about the topic and think about the channel that I need to upload, think about the video I have to make, and I have to do a lot of research and I have to study a lot. So if you want to be a successful YouTuber, then focus on the thing that you want to share with your audience. It is more important than doing some tips and tricks here on YouTube. And be careful with the cost, YouTube cost for beginner, even from famous YouTuber, because they are just the one who has experience in this field. They just start a YouTube channel 7 or 8 years ago, so they have a little bit experience like me, and they're trying to make money from selling the course to you. So here are 5 things that I think they are important for your channel to be recommended by YouTube. If you find this video helpful, just hit the like button, and if you're new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.